Hello, it's a glorious spring afternoon here and I'm at Abbots Hendra, which is just on the fringes of St Clether. Good access to the North Cornish coast, and I'm here to show you this wonderful barn conversion. As you can see, shining gloriously in the afternoon sunshine today. Really is a peaceful spot and the perfect home if you're looking to get away from it all and live in rural North Cornwall. So I'm going to show you this fine property. It's been converted by our clients to an exceptional standard. We'll see as we go through some of the key features of the property. Very nice centralised path approach there. There's parking as well, of course, as you'd expect. Let's go in and have a look. The property benefits from open plan reception space, and I absolutely love the social and interactive room here, comprising of course of the kitchen, which is very well fitted, cream units. There's a big enough wine rack for most people there, and you've also got a fridge freezer, and as you can see, space for a lovely range oven. This one is available separately if required. There's a lovely spot there for it to slide in. There's a door here to the back garden, which opens onto the lovely communal courtyard with again the landscape in the distance. And from here you really get to see the full extent of this wonderful large reception space. In addition, there's a utility room here where you've got the consumer unit, central heating boiler, which is oil fired. There's solid oak flooring as well. And on display are the most tremendous character features that you can find in a barn. Wonderful pigeonholes, exposed stonework, rustic lintels. Really does have all of the character you would expect within a barn. And as I alluded to just now, there's very good access to the North Cornish coastline from here. Within about sort of 20 to 25 minutes, you could be sat on Widmouth Beach enjoying a sunny evening. So let's have a look up the stairs, which I do love the open tread wooden stairs, which rises up to the feature landing, where as you see you've got A-frame beams throughout this wonderful barn. Got a lovely wooden decked landing to give that nice rustic feel. Yet what you have got with this property is all the modern touches as well, such as double glazing and oil heating. So this is bedroom number 2. And if I just show you closely, you'll see again you've got that lovely A-frame beam, high ceilings. So that's the second bedroom. The third bedroom is this one here, which still has room for bed and basic bedroom furniture, nice and comfortably. And then from here, where I was just stood a moment ago, looking out, how about that for a view when you wake up in the morning, straight out over your garden and over the wonderful landscape. And then we have the master bedroom here, really good size. As you can see, the bed looks pretty much lost in the room, really. It's a big space. And you've got very cleverly designed overhead storage platform there. Somewhere to put all your suitcases, Christmas decorations, etc. And this one has the benefit of a ensuite shower room WC. I should have added that downstairs there is a separate WC for the ground floor as well, for extra convenience. And I will also show you the family bathroom here. Very well equipped, as you can see. Good family bath, heated towel rail, and really nice mixer taps and splash backs as well. So I love the quirkiness of this barn. I love where it is, the outside space, the views, the accessibility, It's got so much going for it, and it is also offered for sale with no chain as well. So if you are looking for a swift purchase, this one will be for you. So for more information, please contact Webbers on 01566 776 211. Thank you.